Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Alex Puckett.
Warm and humid today. Chance for maybe one or two isolated showers or storms this afternoon across North Alabama. Those rain chances going to be going up in a big way into the middle of the week because of this. Now Hurricane Sally, which is just south of Pensacola right now. This is continuing to move west-northwest. Note the motion there, 7 miles an hour. This is not moving fast. And in fact, as it continues to move north and west through the rest of the day today and tomorrow, I expect that number to go down. This is going to be a very slow moving storm. Winds up to 90 miles an hour. The pressure continues to fall. This is an intensifying storm, and we expect it to continue to intensify as it moves northwest. This is the latest forecast track from the National Hurricane Center. They expect this to become a Category 2 hurricane fairly soon, and there may be a window of opportunity here for this to even become a Category 3. We classify that as a major hurricane. So this is going to be a high impact weather event for the southeast Louisiana coastline, the Mississippi coastline, and Alabama's coastline as well. And you note that it takes a right-hand turn once it makes landfall and moves northeast through Alabama. Part of North Alabama in the forecast cone, the center of the cone south of us. If that track were to happen, we'd still see some heavy rain out of this, though. So some things to note, how close those icons are together there, that Category 2 icon. You see how close they are together. Very, very slow moving as we go through the next 36 hours or so. This storm has the potential to make landfall anywhere from southeast Louisiana into the Alabama Gulf Coast as we head into Tuesday. That's when landfall is likely to occur. For Mobile and Baldwin counties, coastal Alabama, surge of 4 to 8 feet. With winds likely approaching hurricane strength. Rainfall totals could exceed 20 inches in some spots. Along the Mississippi Gulf Coast, perhaps even worse, with surge over 11 feet in some spots. Again, hurricane winds very likely here, probably more likely along the Mississippi Gulf Coast than along Alabama's Gulf Coast. And again, the potential for torrential flooding rains. For the Florida Panhandle, not quite as intense with the winds and the surge, 1 to 3 feet for the surge, more tropical storm force winds, tropical storm warning in effect for the western Florida Panhandle. But the torrential rain is going to be an issue, and what may end up being the most destructive part of Sally is rain along the coast between 12, 24 inches. Maybe a little more than that. We're talking about 1 to 2 feet of rain falling in just a couple of days. Further north and east, parts of southwest Alabama could see up to 15 inches of rain. Northeast Alabama, we could be talking about 6 inches in some spots of far northeastern Alabama before this is all said and done. Northwest Alabama, not going to see as much rain out of the system. It's going to be too far to the east. Here's one forecast model's interpretation. And again, this model's not going to be perfect, but note the system starting to move into central Alabama as we head into Wednesday. Some of that heavy rain pushing into northeast Alabama by Wednesday evening. Some of the heaviest rain could linger into Thursday. So high rain chance Wednesday into Thursday. After that, we see some drier weather as we head into next weekend. And in fact, some pretty nice weather once we get past the nastiness Wednesday and Thursday. Highs staying shy of 80 as we head into next weekend with lots of sunshine.